Hi, this is Dana with Desartisan, and this video tutorial is to show you how to assemble this triangle treat box with the peekaboo window, and it's extremely easy. I have red line tape on the bottom of the box and on the side, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove all those pieces of tape if I can. I will try to keep this in frame. I'm sorry about that. But this is an easy project to do using, this one will fit on an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. And for the peekaboo window, you can use a piece of copy transparency or a piece of plastic from some packaging. It doesn't really matter as far as what you want to do for that. Or if you simply don't want a peekaboo box, you want to hide the contents, then I would just remove that part of the box and do a full box. So now that I have the red line tape pulled off, I'm using red line because it's a little bit stronger. We're going to go through and start folding this box, but we're going to do the soft folds first, which is where all these triangle pieces are. So we're just going to gently fold. We're not going to do a hard fold. It's just a soft fold. Just like that. And there's one over on this side, right there. One right here. This one's going to be a little harder because of the window. I don't want to pop that transparency off. But you just do a soft fold like that. And one more on this side, which I guess I should have done that before I took all the tape off, but I have to do everything the hard way. Okay, so you have that all soft folded, and now I'm going to do a hard fold right in the middle, just like that. And I'm going to take my bone folder or Cricut scraper, or anything that you have, and I'm going to do a hard fold and just rub that down and make a nice crease, just like that. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing with the side tab here. I'm going to fold it back inside, and then we're going to fold it in half, just like that. We're going to line up the two edges. Okay, press it together, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my bone folder scraper and crease that, just like that. So now you should have something that looks like this. Okay, if you pop open the box, it kind of makes a little bit of a square on the inside. I'm just going to fold, well, actually what I should do is pull these tabs back like that, so I get a nice crease. Okay, I'm going to fold this side in, fold that side in, fold that one down, and lastly fold that one down. Okay, all right. I guess I didn't need that on the bottom there. Oh well, I screwed up. Should only have put 3 pieces on. Okay, then you can just gently fold the top of this like that, and then just take your ribbon and run it through the top if you want to tie it shut, and then you have a nice little, peekaboo box that I intend to put Candy Kisses in. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. My email is down in the description, and you can find this project on Cricut with Cricut Access, or just on Cricut itself. Thank you very much, guys.